Hello, I am Andreas from Kemper. And today I would like to give you some tips about the 400 Plus in the field. The problem we see here with the one-sided harvesting is that the material is guided towards the center and is left there. This can happen with large and heavy maize. To address this, you can install this deflector in the center. Now, with the installed deflector, the plants are being transported without problems. To improve the material flow on both the right and left sides, you can retrofit the header with these sheets by simply screwing them on. Be sure to have them flush at the beginning. This kit is an upgrade for older machines. It is already pre-installed in new headers. Once the sheet is attached, the included plate should be welded at the end to prevent material buildup underneath it. We are now offering heavy-duty blades that have double the lifespan and a modified tooth shape that provides better plant cutting. We are also offering heavy-duty skid shoes that can be easily swapped out one for one with the standard skids for a significantly longer lifespan. These can be purchased as a spare part.